Today I'm going to show you how to back up your Sharepoint to Amazon S3. First, it's important to understand why you need to back up your Sharepoint files. Cyber liability insurance requires a real-time backup of your data, which also protects you from accidental deletions, malicious deletions, and crypto lockers. Before starting the sync, you'll need to set up 3 things. You'll want to create a new Amazon S3 bucket for your backup, an Amazon AWS IAM user, and configure Amazon Glacier policies for your backup if needed. Next, go to the Cloud Accounts tab on cloudhq.net/services to prepare your Office 365 Sharepoint. Scroll down and click on the Office 365 Sharepoint icon like this, and add your Office 365 Sharepoint. And now you're ready to set up your Sharepoint to Amazon S3 backup. Go to www.cloudhq.net/sync_wizard. First, click here to switch to one-way sync. Now you can select Office 365 Sharepoint as your first sync service. Choose the Sharepoint folder that you want to back up, and click Select. Next, you'll choose your backup service, Amazon S3. Select your Amazon S3 account or click Add Amazon S3 to add another one. Next, you'll be prompted to choose what you want to sync or back up. You'll select an existing folder or bucket and click the Next button. Select the bucket you created and create a new Amazon S3 folder. Then select that folder and click the Select button. Click OK to confirm. Enable options archive files before they are changed or deleted by sync, and automatically recopy files if we detect tampering of copies on the target. Then click Start Sync. And voila! Your Sharepoint to Amazon S3 backup is successfully set up and running. You'll receive an email from CloudHQ when the initial transfer of data finishes. As you can see, the Sharepoint files are backed up to Amazon S3, and they'll continue to automatically back up until you decide to stop the sync. Now you can rest assured knowing that your Sharepoint data is safely retrievable whenever you need it. And stay tuned, because backup Sharepoint to Microsoft Azure is coming soon. CloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.